Good day, everyone. Welcome to this beautiful channel. This is Don Simon Cryptos for those of you that are just new. So here you'll be expecting a whole lot of things concerning cryptocurrency, concerning coin, concerning update, the right coin to buy, when to sell, when to take profit, and a whole lot of things. So for you to be getting more and more information, more and more updates, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel. Go down below and make sure you do what? You join us on WhatsApp. Click on the add link below to join us on Telegram too, so that you will be getting all information. Remember, cryptocurrency is the future, and this is the best time for you to come in. So, like I always say, Don Simon Cryptos, we talk about coin, we talk about trading, we talk about so many things in this particular channel. So subscribe to this channel if you really want to be getting information, if you are really willing to learn about cryptocurrency and come into cryptocurrency and see exactly what is really happening at this point in time. Don Simon Cryptocurrency is here for you. Remember that we love you. But before I proceed, I would like you to subscribe. Yes, just subscribe so that you're getting more updates. Right about now, we are going to talk about a particular coin. Now, a coin that is different from every other coin, a coin that has an amazing div, a coin that is shooting to the moon, a coin that a whole lot of people have been talking about, a whole lot of investors have been eyeing, a whole lot of things has been happening, people have been clamoring, and this coin is really an amazing coin with an amazing dev, an amazing community, and as I'm talking to you now, the coin is mooning. Automatically, the coin moon on its own. Whether you buy, whether you don't buy, the coin was paired with BSC, and as BNB is going all-time high, this coin is going all-time high. So right about now, I would like us to talk about this coin. I would like to give you reason why you must buy this coin. Yes, because this year has finished, but if you really think you want to make money this year, I think that to get this coin is the best thing you have to do. We call it little ugly duck. Yes, most of you might have heard about this coin. Yes, as I'm talking to you now, the dev is working behind the scene. This coin is coming up with everything. This coin does not need your listing. They have not listed it. This coin is coming up with swap. It's coming up with payment platform. It's coming up with exchange. It's coming out with staking. It's coming out with so many things. Just one coin has so many 6 use cases. So people, I think that the best thing for you to do at this point in time is to make sure you get this coin in your trust wallet. Yes, because you got nothing to lose. And I think that this is the best time for this kind for you to get this coin. Because BAC is going all-time high, and from what I'm seeing, within maybe before the week runs out, BSC may click $400 as we are seeing it. And if that happens, it means that little ugly duck is still going all-time high. And if BSC get to 1,000 US dollars, it simply means that little ugly duck is going all-time high. So what does this mean to us, all the investors, all the holders of this amazing project? It simply means that whether investors come or not, we are winning. Yes, because Bitcoin, the father of coin, is going all-time high. So many other coins are going all-time high. Yes, analysts said before the month runs out, Bitcoin will hit 54 to 60,000 US dollars. So what are you still waiting for? This is the best time for you to come into crypto, because there is no time to waste. Because by this time next month, this coin they are telling you to buy now with $1, $2, you may not be able to get it. So little ugly duck, here we go. This coin is an amazing coin. It has an amazing community. So a lot of things are happening around it. Trust me, they are about to launch their own swap, their own exchange. There are so many things they want to really launch one coin in just one. The BAC is going up higher, and this coin is now going up gradually on its own. Now investors are coming, everybody is clamoring. So right about now, with your $1, with your $2, with your $3, with your $4, you can get quintillions. I did not say quintillion, I said quintillions, which means not 1 quintillion, not 2 quintillion, but you can get quintillions of this coin. So what you need to do now is to make sure you go out there and you get Little Ugly Duck. Little Ugly Duck has one of the best dev anybody can think of. He said, I am here always. I am not going anywhere. Despite they are fighting me, CMC doesn't want to list us because they are asking for money. But right about now, this coin has its own future, its own project, its own goals, its own objectives. So this coin is not looking for anybody to augment it. So whether CMC or no CMC, we are going. Remember, I love you people. I love the poor. Women from Pakistan, women from India, Hong Kong, and different places, they have been writing to me. They said, if this coin is the coin that will make me to get out of poverty, so please try your best. I said, I will do it. I will do it for you. I am not going nowhere. This is coming from the CEO of Little Ugly Duck. So I want you to know that your investment is safe. And he said, before 25th of December, something is going to happen. It means that you might become a millionaire by just holding Little Ugly Duck between now and December. So all hope is not lost. Cryptocurrency is there. It's always there for go-getters. So all I want you to do, if you really want to make money between now and December, between now and January, go out there and get Little Ugly Duck. Get Little Ugly Duck, then you relax and watch out everything that is going to happen. Remember that we are always here. This platform, whatever that happens, we'll be dropping it back to back. We'll be dropping information back to back concerning Little Ugly Duck, for you to know how the coin, whether it's progressing or retrogressing. But before we go, we would like to go into the TG channel and see exactly what people are saying concerning this coin, what people are talking about, what investors are talking about concerning this coin. We have seen, you have seen something that the dev just posted. He said 6 projects just in one coin, 6 projects just in one, and we have staking, NFT wallet, payment, swap, and exchange. He said, be part of it. littleuglyduck.com. This is coming from the Dave, because investors were saying, Dave, where have you been? Dave, where have you been? You have not been saying anything. Dave said, I have been working on the ground. I am working behind the scene. I am not that talking type. I believe in action, not words. Now we are seeing it with our 2 naked eyes. Somebody said, this minute I can chat the next. No, I can't chat. Who is behind this? Don't get it. Please describe. This chat sometimes breaks after a Twitter promo post, so that everybody to promo and do what? Vote. There is a promo now going on Twitter. Little Ugly Duck. Nobody knows. Elon Musk may just see it and say, "Lude to the moon." My brother, if that man can say this, you will not be able to buy Little Ugly Duck again. Yes. So let us go there. Now you will see people. Somebody just said, dear investor, we are currently improving our shield impact. Yes. If you go to social media, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Telegram, people are shilling. Nobody, the admins, they are working. I mean, they are working. Now you will see something like this here. You said with over 22,000 holders. Yes, this coin now has over 22,000 holders currently as I'm talking to you now, which means people are coming. And this thing is happening organically, because CMC have not listed them, Binance have not, and other exchange platforms have not. These people are growing organically. Now, if this exchanges happen to see the progress of this coin and come in to list this coin, you'll be left behind. All you need to do, this is the right time for you to get this coin. Yes, this is the right time for you to get this coin. You have nothing to fear. The dev is a very good man. He's an honest man. We all know he wants the best for all of us. And the community is very, very active. The community love the dev, so they are giving their full support. So, whether it's listing or not listing, the coin is growing organically, paired with BSC and a whole lot of things. So all you need to do is to get here and be one of the members of this great community by getting your own Little Ugly Duck today. Remember that this is Don Simon Cryptocurrency. We are always here to give you updates concerning coin, especially Little Ugly Duck. So you want to buy Little Ugly Duck, you don't know how to buy? Talk to us. Join us on Telegram. Join us on WhatsApp. Send me a direct message. Let us do it for you to become an expectant. Remember, this is Don Simon Cryptocurrency. Here we will let you know how to move your coin to different parts of the world, to different wallets. We will teach you how to sell. We will teach you how to take profit. We will teach you the right time, the right coin to buy, when to buy. With us, you have no reason to lose your money in shitcoin business. Remember, this is Don Simon Cryptocurrency, an emerging fintech platform. Do not forget that we always love you. There is another coin that we are going to talk about. Watch our next video. Little Mountain Goat is also a product of Little Ugly Duck. Once again, Don Simon Cryptos, we love you.